Happy New Year. Janie the Mindfulness Coach here, setting my intentions on fire for 2022. This fire is an alchemical fire, a transformative, purifying fire that allows one's truest self to come forth. Through the mindful power of thought, feeling, focus, and commitment, we can heal and rise above all that is keeping us living in an egoic state, a state of mind that is unfulfilling and lacks character, vitality, virtuousness, and substance. May you get clear on who you are desiring to be and doing everything you can to become all that you truly are. Be the light and know the dark. Peace be in us. Like and follow @Janie the Mindfulness Coach to be a part of the mindfulness movement.